He sounds like a space invader. He's that lamp completely ruined as well. Haven't you? Yo. Yo. Look, he's that nosy.
Alexa.
It's not terrible. Keeps on saying that to Alexa, you know. That's awful cheeky, you know. Awful cheeky. Dare say it. Dare say it, Kelo, and you're in trouble. I mean it. You listening?
Yeah.
That's good. Oh, you're giving me a kiss now. You've been a good boy today, haven't you?
What's that?
I said you've been a good boy. What? You dare. Don't tell me that bird's not winding me up. It's as if he's trying to do it because he knows I just can't jump up and grab him. You're listening to, aren't you? Oh, that scare you? Huh? You doggy? See, that's all the sounds he copies. See? He's taking it all in. What's that, the dog?